Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe of this delicious Achari chicken, we're going to start off by taking a pan and adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, here I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onions to the pan. And after that, I'm going to fry it for a period of 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Once the onions have turned to a golden brown color, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And after that, I'm going to fry it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, here I'm going to add 2 chopped tomatoes and 2 chopped green chilies. After adding these ingredients, I'm going to continue to fry this for another 3 minutes. While the tomato is frying, here you can take a grinder jar and add 4 dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of methi seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. After adding all these ingredients, I'm then going to grind this into a fine powder. After 3 minutes, here you can then add the ground spices to the pan. And along with this, here you can also add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding the spices and the salt, you can then continue to fry this for another 1 minute. And after a minute, add 500 grams of chicken to the dish. After adding the chicken, you can mix this really well and let this cook for another 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here I'm going to add half a cup of curd to the dish. And along with this, here I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. After adding these ingredients, I'm going to stir all of this really well. And after that, I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you can remove the lid. And to this pan, here you can add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and salt as per taste, while keeping in mind you've added salt earlier. After that, you can mix all of this really well and you can then let this cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, here you can lastly add some coriander leaves to garnish this dish. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.